Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your oil and a dash door. So you have the oil cap right here and the oil filter is underneath. It's down there. I don't know if you can see it right underneath there. And guys, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Help me help you. This could be your next car that I'm working on. Alright, so this is what it looked like, but normally you would have something to cover right here and right here, and the oil filter is right here. Alright, that's what it looked like. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to change it. Alright, so first thing first, you want to drain the oil, which is going to be 13 millimeter. Alright, so you have the oil draining right there, and after this drain you want to put by the drain plug and go towards the filter. Alright, so go ahead and install your drain plug. Alright, and make sure you tighten up your drain plug. Alright, then you move to the filter. Alright, so go ahead and take out this filter. Take out the filter like this. Bubble! Alright, so the filter is out. And now you want to get your new filter and install it. Alright, so now it's time to put your filter on. And also what you want to do is put the lube here. Alright. Just want to hand tighten your filter and that's it. Time to put oil inside. You need to add some oil. First up, go ahead and add 4 quarts of oil, and then you want to check it to make sure you got the correct mark. Alright. So after that, you check your oil after you so this one takes 5.5 quarts. So that's what I put in it, 5.5. Alright, so you want to crank your car, make it run, and then cut it off and then come back and check that. Alright, and guys, thank you for your love and support. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my video. Could help me help you. Next car I work on, maybe the problem you're facing. Alright.